Stuck with low utilization of your OCR solution for invoice processing? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create OCR-friendly PDFs from all AP invoices in a matter of minutes. Once you are in the Extract AI app, click on Create a Template. Scroll down to the Finance tab where you will find a variety of pre-made templates. I will use this one for invoices. You can customize this template based on your needs by adding or removing fields. Once you are happy with the result, click the Create button. Now we can start extracting. Forward the invoice you would like to convert to this unique email, or drag and drop it here. In the top right corner, you can download your file in the desired format. Once you have your OCR-friendly PDF file downloaded, you can easily integrate it with the RPA routine. Click the link in the bio to start your free trial now.